Hey there guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share with you this lovely drink that will warm you up and also make you a little bit tipsy. So if you're interested in that, then just stay tuned. This is one of those recipes where you need a ton of stuff, but you just dump it all together. So you want to start out with your ginger. I used this powdered ginger in a pan. Then I added in some vanilla extract, some cinnamon sticks, some other spices, I think it's called star anise and stuff like that. You will find everything down below. You add some raisins and some almonds, some brown sugar. Just throw it all together in your bowl. I forgot the translation for all of these things, but as I said, they're listed down below. Then you take a lemon and you want to squeeze out the juice and pour it in there. And then you want to do the same thing with an orange. And you want to cut down the peel and then throw that in there as well. Then you want to pour in your red wine. And you want to let that simmer for about 30 minutes, but it shouldn't be boiling, just being hot, so the flavor gets into the wine. Then you can add your rum or whatever you want to use and pour it into a bottle or glasses, and it is ready to enjoy. Now with these kind of drinks, I always recommend drinking them right away because I don't like them when they have been sitting in my fridge for a day or two. But yeah, I feel like these are things you should drink right away. So I hope you give it a try and enjoy.